exercises, and for guiding our parents and teachers for our successful school year 2023 to 2024. I would like to thank our dear learners and parents, staff, administration, teachers, our guest speaker, Dr. Ivan Captivo, Superintendent of Galat Division of General Affairs Cavite. Ma'am Catherine Contento, the owner of school of Enfancherry. Sir Doms Kawili from Bantay Balita. Dr. Bishop Ramin Pastrana, our spiritual mentors, Pastora Tess and Reverend Ocampo, our Banyan Church, spiritual mentors also, from Banyan Church. Our school principal, Angelita Victorino, school consultant, Amor Auretara, management, board directors who participate in our ceremony. Thank you so much for your unwavering support. I would like to congratulate all our movers, graduates, and honorees, awardees, batch 2024, for your moving up and graduation exercises, and to our dear parents. Congratulations to the movers and graduates. As we celebrate the 8th moving up, recognition, and graduation rites with the theme Filipino Youth Building a Stronger Future for a New Philippines. Sa Tagalog, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. How can we be strong and have good courage? Being strong and courageous usually doesn't require any grand gestures. More often, it's made up of small decisions we make every day that show our trust in God. As we prayerfully seek His direction, study His word, and follow His example, each day we will have the courage to let go of fear and face our challenges with faith. As you turn to Jesus Christ in faith and allow His counsel to be strong of a good courage, you will feel the assurance that He is always with you. The theme is a reminder that education is not just about acquiring academic knowledge. It is about developing the heart, character, values, and skills necessary to become responsible and engaged citizens. It is about instilling the faith of God. Instilling the faith of God in our youth, a sense of pride, our heritage, a commitment to serving others. So let us celebrate our graduates, not just for what they have accomplished, but for what they have yet accomplished. Let us inspire them to seek God first and dream big, to do more, to take risks, and never give up on their vision of better Philippines. Let us remind them that they are not alone in this journey, that they have the love and support of their family, friends, teachers, school, community, and the love of an entire nation behind them. To be a matatag na kinabukasan ng kabataan, we must commit to the Lord whatever we do and what we plan to succeed. And continue in your path with faith and a big heart. It helps you reach your goals. To all graduates and leaders, may God grant you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. To the class of 2024, as you embark on this new chapter of your life, remember that you are the hope and the future of our beloved country. You have the power to shape the course of our nation's history. to create a bagong Pilipinas that is more with true spirit of Filipino, more compassionate, and more prosperous for all good aspects of our lives. Embrace this responsibility with courage, determination, resilience, perseverance, and a deep sense of purpose to others. According to Yasmin Mogam, resilience is very different from being numb. Resilience means you experience, you feel, you fail, you hurt, you fall. But you keep going. We go for resilience, and resilience is alive. It is the learning and what happens in resilience make us victorious. It's the resilience and remembering that you put in your heart and store. We may face challenges, obstacles, difficulty, adversity in our life. But resilience remembers, don't allow the crisis to numb you or us. Be alive, learn, feel, and learn. That's what it's all about as you want to make the difficult time a good time. I encourage you to have unity, love, compassion, faith, and hope for everyone. According to the Bible verse, Joshua 1:9, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. These comforting words can apply to all of us who seek to live a good life and overcome our own unique challenges. Many obstacles may come our way, but rest assured and guaranteed that Sigma will always be your partner in nurturing your children's future. This graduation day is not the end. This is the gateway to higher level of learning. Truly, moving up and graduating is one of the most glorious moments in the life of learners and graduating learners. Similarly, Sigma parents and guardians feel the greatest pride in seeing their sons and daughters march on stage to receive their certificate of completion and diploma, to signify their profession in preschool and grade school and junior high school. As we come together to celebrate your achievements of graduates, recognition and members, and bid you farewell, let us also have fear and commitment to supporting and empowering you every step of the way. Together, parents and teachers, school and community, let us work together to brighten a more hopeful future for the Philippines. One that is built on the spirit of the Filipino, faith, hope, love, strength, resilience, humor, compassion. This spirit of the Filipino are the powerful greatest achievement of you and also all Filipino citizens. Thank you so much, everyone, and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Ms. Myra. That was amazing and great opening remarks to hear.
Now, we arrive at the highlight of the
Nabasa ko yun eh.
It is now the evidence of
Nabasa ko
success
yun.
and achievements from our
Binabasa niya sa akin.
graduating class and co-peers. May we call on Ms. Valentino, the school registrar of St. Gilbert Mara
Ma'am.
Academy Incorporated, to present the graduates of pre-elementary
Graduates lang.
Elementary grade school, 3 boys and 4 girls. Business promovers and candidates for graduation who have successfully completed their study and have satisfied all the requirements prescribed by Department of Education. And our graded completers, we have 1 boys, 3 girls. Who have successfully completed their study and who satisfy all the requirements applied by the Department of Education.
By the virtue of the power vested in me under the Department of Education, as the school principal of St. Gilbert Marda Academy Incorporated and a member of the principal circles, I hereby confirm you movers, graduates, and completers. Tassel to the left.
Tassel to the left. Tassel to the left. Yan, pasaway.
Congratulations, movers, graduate, and completers. You may now be seated.
Thank you, Ms. Angelita Victorino and Ms. Valentino. Once again, congratulations to the newly confirmed movers, graduates, and completers.
Requesting to remain on stage our school directress, Ms. Myra Halin, school principal, Ms. Angelita Victorino, the corporate secretary, Ms. Agripina, together with our distinguished guest, is Dr. Ivan already lacked, to grant the Academic Excellence Awards, City Official Excellence Award, Subject Awards, Special Awards, and Loyalty Awards for our movers, graduates, and completers. We request our beloved parents for the awardees from movers, graduating class, and completers to join their children on stage. Requesting the parents that is occupying our side, dyan po ang pila ng ating mga anak. So if you could vacate the space and go to our, if there are still available chairs, you can occupy that. Once again, requesting our school directress, Ms. Myra Magnin, school principal, Ms. Angelita Victorino, the corporate secretary, Ms. Agripina, together with to grant the Academic Excellence Award, City Official Office Excellence Award, Subject Awards, Special Awards, and Loyalty Awards for our movers, graduates, and completers.
To present the list of the awardees, the class advisors will read the list.
Giselle Marciano, Class Advisor of Junior CASA and Senior CASA Morning.
Junior Casa, Lamuan Christian M. with honor. Eager Beaver Awardee, Brave Soul Awardee, Kinder Body Awardee, Task Jump, and Awesome Attitude. Bonita Shiloh David Yuponi P. with honors, Kinder Body Awardee, Task Jump Awardee, Sparkler Kid Awardee, Awesome Attitude and Golden Heart Awardee.
May I request the parents at the middle? Please vacate the area at the middle because after the receiving of awards, sa gitna po sila dadaan. Babalik po sila dyan sa pwesto, wala pong matadaanan. Pakibakante po yung gitna. Thank you.
Lucas Marcel Abraham V. with honors, Golden Heart Awardee, Happy Hapa Awardee, Gorgeous Kid Awardee, Kinder Body Awardee, and Brave Soul Awardee. Congratulations, Junior Casa. Senior Casa, Gravador Mai Zaiden. Cheerful Soul Awardee, Golden Heart Awardee, Awesome Attitude Awardee, Most Punctual. Maninang Thomas Jaden A. Courteous Kid Awardee, Happy Hopper Awardee, PCB Awardee, Golden Heart Awardee, Advocate Awardee, Brave Soul Awardee.
so much, Teacher Lisa. Now for Senior Casa Afternoon, Teacher Regina
Award ka
Ordinary.
daw.
Ha?
Mag-award.
Sino?
Ikaw. Kaya bakit ka pa naman ano?
Ha?
Mag-award.
For senior casa, Warrior Logan
Nasa na po mag-award eh.
with
Pero
honors. Happy Helper
award?
Awardee, Honest Kid Awardee, Batang Mag-aaral Awardee, Most Punctual Grade Giver Awardee. Arlene Andre Leon Princi with honors, Best in English, Happy Helper Awardee, Gorgeous Awardee, Brave Soul Awardee, Honest Kid Awardee, Enthusiastic Learner Awardee, Most Behaved. Valiente Edward Raihiti with high honors, Best in Filipino, Best in Math, Best in Writing, Batang Magalang Award, Batang Masigasig Award,